Yo, it's Brian from FPC Customs, aka Flypaper Customs, back with another video, and today we're going to be turning these into these. So, stay tuned. This is actually going to be my first Hello Kitty custom ever. I haven't done one before, but I trust my skills. If you're watching this video, you obviously trust my skills too, and the person who commissioned me to do this custom trusts my skills as well. So, first off, first difference that I'm going to be doing is actually going to be starting with the base shoe itself. The base shoe already has the pink sole. We're already starting off good. It has the pink check on both sides, pink back tab, pink sock liner. It's all there anyway. So this is the perfect base shoe for a Hello Kitty custom. So we're going to go ahead and get into it right now. Follow along, wait until the end of the video to see the final result, which you've already seen the final result if you watched the first beginning of this video, but you're going to see how we got there. So follow me. Alright, for this custom here, we're going to be mixing our own custom pinks, different hues. So we're going to be using flat white. We're also going to be using Parisian pink. And we're also going to be using hot pink. So I'm going to take like the Parisian pink and the hot pink, mix it together. Obviously the white and the regular pink and the Parisian pink, just to get different hues of pink. We're also going to be using black, you know, just for the outline of Hello Kitty. And we're also going to be using other colors just in case I want to put some color in her clothes and stuff like that. But we also have logos that we're going to put on here. I got a couple of hair bows I'm going to place around on the shoe somewhere. Might put some hearts too. The client really just said that they just wanted a basic Hello Kitty custom. We don't do basic at Flypaper Customs. We don't. At FPC Sneakerz, we go above and beyond. With that being said, I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm gonna give you what you've been waiting for. It's Hello Kitty custom. Let's get into it. This is what we're looking like so far. I got this masked off because I'm gonna go back and do like a neon light kind of effect over top of this with my airbrush, so we can go back over it and make it look like so. I got it taped off glowing. It's gonna look the same on the other shoe too. This is what the lettering looks like under this one so far. I just gotta put the light pink on this, and the other pinks we're just gonna go in and use the other pinks for like contrast and like, you know, highlights and just accent colors, along with, you know, some light blue, yellow, things like that, just to give the shoe a little bit more personality. Alright, so this is how they came out. Check them out. The detail. We also did like a neon light effect on the inside where it says Hello Kitty on the shoe. This effect generally looks a little bit better on black background, but it still looks pretty dope on this background. Since it's like a light pink and white background, it looks pretty dope. This might be my thumbnail. It might end up being a thumbnail right there. I don't know. These strings did not come pink. I know the sole and everything came pink on this shoe. The strings were white, so what we had to do was we had to red dye them. If you want to figure out how to do that, I can help you out with that. Check out this video up here, I teach you the entire process of how to rig dye an entire Air Force One. So go like that video, comment on the video and everything like that. But as for this video, do the same. If you like these, leave a comment, like the video, share the video, save the video to a playlist on your channel, and hey, it'll help your boy out. What also would help me out is you guys follow me on all my social medias: Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at FPC Sneakerz. Also visit my website, fpcsneakerz.com. That's sneakers with a Z. Also, if you want to get a pair of sneakers done, book a consultation. I'll hit you up. We can discuss all the details of what you want to get done on your custom pair of sneakers. But hey, this is me. I'm Brian. I'm from FPC Sneakerz. This is what we do. Until next time, peace. Stay up.